and end. The fuck is that word? Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Cheryl, and in today's video, I'm super excited because I finally get to play with this palette from Wicked Sisters Cosmetics. This one's called House of Horrors. I saw this brand on Instagram, and I was so curious to see their palettes because I noticed that they're mostly inspired by horror movies from the 80s or any horror movie, and I love that. I love horror movies, especially from the 80s. So I saw a couple of palettes, and this one caught my attention because I love the colors, and I had to purchase it. And I'm glad I did. So if you want to see how I did this look and how the palette performed, keep on watching. Hi! So I'm super excited because I'm going to be playing with this palette today from Wicked Sisters Cosmetics, House of Horrors. Look at that. I love that they get inspired and do palettes inspired by horror movies because I love horror movies. I'm obsessed with horror movies, especially from the 80s. Love them all. When I saw this brand that they would do palettes and makeup based on horror movies, I was like, that's right up my alley. I love the colors of this one. So, I want to play with this. Let's get started. I'm going to start with this one. It's called Human Tooth. We're off to a good start. I love the names of these, by the way. They're so creative. It's like hippie, Texas, van, chainsaw, urban legend, sledgehammer, farmhouse, truck driver, massacre. What else? Pocket knife, because everybody needs a pocket knife, you know, to open your packages. This color doesn't show up on my skin because my skin is kind of yellow undertone. If you're more fair than me, this color will show up. But on my skin tone, it doesn't show up. It's there, but it's almost my skin tone. Now I'm gonna use Massacre. Same brush. Ooh. They have a palette that is inspired by Nightmare on Elm Street, and I definitely want to get that one because that's like my favorite horror movie from the 80s. I love Freddy. I was gonna do my eyes first because I wanted something dramatic, but I completely forgot and I did my face first. Oh well. Which are your favorite horror movies? Do you like horror movies? I mean, I think everybody does, mainly. I mean, at least I think. No, I know a few people that don't like horror movies, which is weird. I find that weird. I've been wanting to film with using this palette for a while, and I haven't been able to. So I got desperate, and I used the palette a couple of times already, twice, without filming it. I did a neutral look, which I'll try to pop a picture here. Just your everyday makeup. I definitely want to use this black because it has like, it's like a metallic black. I don't know how to describe it. So I want to try that. Put it on the outer corner. It's called Chainsaw. Let me put some powder underneath my eyes just in case I could fall out. I do not want to get black there. It's building up quite nicely. It's more matte on your skin though. Probably if you use a glitter primer, it'll have that metallic effect. But I'm using it dry. You know what I've been noticing a lot lately? now that I'm trying more indie brands, that their quality is really good at a lower price than higher end. And I like that a lot. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people would appreciate that too. Good quality and not so expensive. I think everybody should just give indie brands a chance because there's a lot of good ones out there. And I have a couple on my list that I want to try out. Hopefully in the near future I can purchase some of them and try it out because they deserve more attention that they're getting. So far they're working perfect, blending great. I'm not sure when this video will be up, maybe Thursday. What's today? Tuesday. Today's Tuesday, right? Or is it Monday? But this will go out probably Thursday. Now that I have it placed, now I'm gonna start blending. So there's two like shimmer colors in here. I have Texas and Meat Hook. There are two shimmers. I don't know if you can see it. That I want to try, and I don't know which one. Nice. I'm gonna use glitter primer, my NYX glitter primer, and I'm gonna place it where I want to put the shimmer. And as always, I have to go slightly above because I have hooded eyes. Pick this one up, Texas, and just pack it on. Look at that gold. Whew. Ooh. Gorge. So I finished the rest of my face. For eyeliner, I used the Dragon Liner. For lashes, the Lunar Beauty Nova Lashes. And for lips, I used the KVD in shade Crucifix. So how do you like the look? I love it. I love the quality. It blended easily. I really loved it. The shades are good. In this look, I tried I tried 5 colors. They worked great. Love them. Let me know if you're interested in me doing another look with this palette. I'm totally fine with that. I really loved playing with this palette, so I wouldn't mind. I highly recommend this palette. If you haven't checked them out, you should go check them out. Plus, they have other palettes that are amazing too. And I definitely want to buy another one. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to get notified every time I upload. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.